Today we are going to study about different types of architecture in the software, and this video will be going to a series of videos. So we'll learn step by step what are the different types of architectures that we have, how we build our projects, and what are different architecture, what are the components in the architecture that we need. So basically, we'll discuss about the different tiers which are involved in the software industry or software architectural landscape, and we'll go through what is a tier, what is software applications have, why different software applications have tiers, and how I decide how many tiers an application should have. So let's go what we have in a tier. What are the basic components in a tier? So let's say, just give me a minute. Yeah. So we have a tire, and what is basically tire means? So tire means is the logical and physical separation of the components that are used in the architecture. So it's not at the code level I'm talking about. We are talking at the component level. And what are the various components? So like we have a tire. So when we are discussing about a tire, we'll discuss about what are the different components. So different components can be your like client, your databases, your back end application server, your caching mechanism, and your loggers. These basically consist of what we call as the components of a tire. Now we have like when we talk about clients, so we have nowadays mobile, we have our laptops, desktops. So we they interact basically with backend server. And backend server, if we talk about architecture, so we have cache server, we have databases, and we have messaging server. So these are some of the components of an architecture. Now architecture is divided into how many types? So if we talk about architecture and its types, let's say it can be single tier application, it can be two tier application, it can be three tier application, and it can be entire application. It depends on the organization and based on what type you are deciding, what the team is deciding, and how we are going to release our software. So it's basically depend on we when we are building a product or when we are building a services. It depends on we need to understand what tire to choose and how we are going to build different tires, and we need to make sure that we know a basic understanding of different types of tire that are available and which to choose for as per our requirement. Thank you. In the next section, we're going to cover more of the single tire application. Please like the video and subscribe if you like the content. Thank you, everyone.